Let's begin by going through the hardware items in your kit. You have received the universal rotator, the camera attachment screw, the 6 camera keys that come in 2 different lengths, both short and long, and in 3 different thicknesses, as well as the camera key attachment screw. Now, the first step in setting up your hardware is attaching the universal rotator to your tripod. To attach the rotator to your tripod, you will need to remove the quick release plate from the top of your tripod. Next, locate the attachment hole in the base of the universal rotator. Now, align the screw of the quick release plate with the attachment hole in the base of the universal rotator and securely fasten the quick release plate to the rotator base. Once the quick release plate is securely fastened to the base of your rotator, attach it to the top of your tripod. Next, we will mount the camera attachment screw on the rotator. Turn the rotator so that you are facing the metal side of the camera mounting plate. Notice the threaded hole at the back of each slot. Take the camera attachment screw, insert it into one of the threaded holes, and continue to turn it until it threads all the way through the camera mounting plate. Now we are ready to attach your camera to the universal rotator. Locate the camera attachment hole in the bottom of the camera and align this threaded hole with the camera attachment screw on the rotator. First, turn the smaller thumb knob portion of the camera attachment screw, then finish tightening by turning the larger dial. The last step in the hardware setup is to mount the camera key behind the camera. We will need the camera attachment screw for this step. Now take your camera key and place the raised edge on the back of the camera key into one of the slots on the rotator. Slide the camera key forward up against the back of the camera and adjust the camera so it sits square against the camera key. Next, take the camera key attachment screw and insert it into the threaded hole of the camera key from the metal side of the rotator. Continue to tighten the camera key attachment screw until the camera key is securely fastened. Make sure that the camera key you selected does not interfere with your operation of the camera. If it does, simply replace it with one of the other 5 camera keys. Now your hardware setup is complete and should look like this.